Circle's introduction. Circle is defined as the locus of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is called center and equidistant is called radius. Means locus of all these points. Each point is at a fixed distance from the fixed point. Each distance is same from this point. So join all the points, I get the circle. This fixed point is called center. And this distance which is same from here to any point you take on the circle, that is called radius. Clear? So here is the center and the distance from any point on the circle to the center will be same from that to any other point on the circle. Using that I get equation of a circle. Now to get equation of circle I use property of the circle. That is distance from here to any point is called radius. Correct? So take the length of this equal to r, that will give you equation of the circle. So if here I consider minus g minus f and any point on the circle be x comma y. So this distance equal to r. So apply distance formula. R equal to square root of x2 minus x1. X minus of minus g, so I get x plus g whole square. Y minus of minus f, I get y plus f whole square. So send square root to this side and this thing you write first and r over there. So it is x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to r square. Right? While doing sums, if equation is given in this way, what will your center be? Minus g minus f and radius will be here r. Correct? So here plus g, your center is minus g. Same way, had it been here minus g and minus f, your center would become plus g and plus f. Clear? Understood? They will be opposite. As in this example, let it be plus here and minus here. Clear so far? Now, another way, if I simplify it, what do I get? I get x square, here a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So x square plus g square plus 2gx plus y square plus f square plus 2fy equal to r square. Now bring all to the one side and equation of a circle is written in this form. First we write x square, then we write y square, then you write the x term 2gx, then you write the y term 2fy, then the constants g square plus f square minus r square equal to 0. So equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. All these will be numbers. So instead of writing 3 numbers, I calculate and I replace c, where your c is equal to g square plus f square minus r square. Clear? So while doing sums, your equation of circles can be given in this way or in this way. More, if it is given in this way, you understood how to get the center and radius. If it is given in this way, how do you get the center? Same thing. Compare it, it will be minus g and minus f. Clear? Now how do you get the radius whenever equation is given in this way? You want radius, so make radius the subject. This goes here, C goes there. So r square equal to g square plus f square minus c. Your radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. In this form, if equation is given, minus g minus f will be the center, and to calculate radius you need to use this formula. If it is given in this way, you directly get the center and radius. Are these two different forms of a circle? Understood, right? From the length, only length equal to r, using that only we get equation of the circle.